And this is it. Our beautiful dome.
Amazing.
Like it, Ceci?
We put all our stuff away. An hour later, it just started pouring. Now we have this tranquil dome environment that's covered in the pouring rain. It's vibes. It's vibes, baby.
Alright, shot o'clock.
Shot o'clock. What do you want to drink, baby? There we go.
She's happy she has shelter.
Right? And we need a chaser. Here we go. And let's see if we have any shot glasses. I didn't see any shot glasses, did you?
No, not that I know.
Could technically use these tea mugs. Let's keep looking.
Shots. Check the one over in the right where, yeah, who's gonna give up too soon.
See? My senses. Let's see. We're on the hunt for a shot glass. Nah.
Well, look, we could use these. The espresso ones.
Ah, let's do it.
Innovative.
You got it.
Would you like a shot?
Yes, I would, please.
Sophisticated shots. Sassy, don't eat potato. Morning, guys.
Good morning.
My baby made me breakfast and it looks delicious.
Yes.
Can't wait to eat it.
Especially for you, baby. This is really good.
Yummy.
I even put that cheese on top.
Ooh.
I know you like the cheddar cheese.
Aww.
Yeah. Best syrup ever. Do you like syrup on your eggs?
Nah, I'm not like you. I'm not a vegan.
A villain?
How about you, Ceci?
Ceci likes everything.
Oh, damn.
You get a whole bacon, Ceci?
Which one? Orange.
You know that used to be my favorite color.
Orange? Oh, it goes over the moon?
You want me to help you?
I have to do it.
Nice. You like a Power Ranger.
Got the armor. Going into the lake.
Going to. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
She started swimming already, like.
Not yet, Ceci.
All right, guys, so it's gonna be lunchtime now, so we're gonna grab some burgers and hot dogs and hop on the grill. And I wish you guys could like actually smell this, like the char. Like you see those perfect grill marks, bro? Like, whoa, y'all don't even understand. This is about to be. Right, Ceci? About to see. You understand? You know. I think they're ready, babe.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Let me chop up some butter. Perfect size, babe. Pineapple.
Passion fruit.
Ooh, cheers.
Cheers. I already pretty much devoured my burger.
But there's more food.
Mm-hmm.
Where that came from? You having fun, Ceci? Uh-oh. Thought you was an expert, bro.
Trust me, I know how to start a fire.
Okay. If you was in Survivor, you would be able to start a fire?
I think so.
You know they don't give you a lighter.
So maybe not.
You can hear the birds chirping. Nature. And it smells so nice. My strong man. Let me at least light these tiki torches.